Hey everyone, my name is Ariel if you're new here, and if you're not, welcome back. So, hello. I miss you guys so much. I just had this very short period of time. I was doing so good, and then I don't know what hit me. I don't know if it's because of my fault that I pack on a lot of things at one time. Everything is slowly starting to level out, but I just got so uninspired and I didn't even know what to do, and then right now it just hit me. I put makeup on for the first time in, oh my gosh, I don't know. I've been a little weird, okay? Weird. It's I know what I'm gonna film. I got this. Because I also didn't want to just post something up just to post it, you know what I mean? That would just be not cool, so we're not gonna do that. I'm going to be sharing with you my favorite lip products that I've been using this whole summer, and it's so crazy to think that it's already coming to an end. Time just flies by so fast. Although during the summer I don't really wear much makeup, lately all I've been wearing is concealer, if that, but lately all I've been wearing is mascara, a lip product, a bold one or a subtle one, but I go for it. Some highlight, and that's basically it. Oh, and my brows, of course, always. Which is why I thought, oh my god, this is so perfect, because all I have been using is lip products this entire summer, so I might as well just share them with you. Thought I was gonna do my top 3 or my top 5, but we just kind of have a whole bunch of them over here, so let's just move on. The first one I'm going to talk about is the Dose of Colors Liquid Lipstick in Truffle. I feel like this is one of everyone's staples, to be honest. It's just such a freaking pretty nude. How am I going to do this? And the way that it feels when you apply it on is so good, the whole experience of it. I know that's a little bit dramatic, but it has become one of my go-to nudes just because it's not a light one, you know what I mean? I just, so good. I did say I wasn't gonna go in particular order, but this next one I'm gonna talk about is the e.l.f. Lip Oil. It is in the shade Nude Kiss, and I feel like I've talked about this before. It's pretty much kind of like a gloss. But it's one of the very few pinks that I can wear, so I've been loving this when I want a glossy touch. Next up we have M Cosmetics Lip Cloud. They're not called liquid lipsticks, they're called Infinite Lip Cloud. This is in the shade, oh my god, this is so tiny and I don't have my glasses on, Rose Nude. Such a freaking beautiful dusty pink, and it's matte. And it's just so pretty, and I feel like it doesn't it's not transfer proof completely because it does have that moisture to it. It feels very comfortable on the lips. It doesn't feel like it's sucking the life out of your lips, but it does kind of tap off a little bit, you know, you can drink a glass of wine or something and not have lipstick all over. It's just you know, it has a little something something. I only own 4 of her, the ones that came out during the last fall, and I'm pretty sure I've used almost all of them except the deep brown shade, but you guys know how I get in the fall, so you know that I'm going to be filming something with that. So the next thing I'm going to talk about is the ColourPop collaboration with Ava. I've honestly fallen in love with all 3 of the products in the lip bundle. I love this gloss. It's a beautiful brown mauve-y gloss. And I don't really like pinks that much except this one, which is why I talked about it, because it doesn't make me look off. So I loved, it's such a pretty rose goldy mauve. Beautiful, super beautiful, and especially if you have olive undertone, and olive undertone, amazing. This was actually the first time that I tried the Ultra Blotted Lip formula, and I fell in love. I just fell completely in love. So the first one that I have here is Party Wave, and this is the deeper color. I love the formula, absolutely love the formula, especially when it's set. It feels so comfortable on the lips, and it just kind of I don't know, it feels makes you feel a little sassy. That was a little weird, but whatever. And the next one I don't have on me. I think it's in my car. And it's in the shade Love Bite. I've also mentioned all of these products before already. That's also another pink that I love. And I don't have it on me, but I'm pretty sure I've posted tons of pictures with it on, because I really did wear that a lot. That Love Bite shade, I wore that more than I did this one, but it made me fall in love with the formulas. So let's talk about the one that I have on right now, huh? This is the Healthy Lip from Physicians Formula, and it's in the shade Bear With Me. I think I've used it in tutorials already before. This is what I'm pretty much wearing the majority of the time in like my selfies, like on my Insta stories, even if you follow like my Instagram for beauty or the one for my like lifestyle Instagram. Yeah, this is it, and this is the one I have on right now. It is just, I love the formula. They did such an amazing job. This is what the doe foot applicator looks like, and it's just so good altogether. I love the packaging, I love the formula, and I love the color. It comes down to the formula, to be honest, because when you're hot, like, you don't want to feel like something is melting off of you. So all of these like have that textured formula, or they are not like the type of gloss that will like slip and slide everywhere and it just becomes an entire mess. So for the summer, that's really what I focus on, again, because it's, I hate when it's humid. Like, I hate when it's humid and hot, and I just can't. So anyways, you've definitely seen me wear this one before, and I do have, I think, 2 more. Now, this is a gloss, and I actually forgotten that I had this. I don't think I really talked about this before. It's the Kylie Cosmetics gloss in Literally, and it is a nude. Like, it is a very pigmented nude gloss. When I'm tan, I really can't wear this just because it looks a little funny on me, unless I put a lip liner all around, but this is for some reason one that I've been gravitating to. And now finally, for the last one I have here, this is Maybelline's liquid lipstick. It's in the shade Heroine? Yeah. Unlike all of these nudes, basically, this is the fire. Okay, this is what I wear when I want my lips to do the talking. It is such a pretty, like, orangey red. I freaking am obsessed with orangey reds for the summer, like bright ones. So good. These are the 8 lip products that I have been loving all summer. I've just been focusing on a good lip and lashes and brows, of course. I hope that you guys got something out of it, whether you were looking for a different type of lip product to use. Thank you guys so much for watching. As always, I appreciate you all so much. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. What are you waiting for? Click that bell button. That way you get notified whenever I do post a video. And I miss you guys so much. I love you guys, and I'll talk to you in my next one. Bye. Sharing with you. I'm so nervous. Different lip gloss. What? What am I doing? But hold on, let me get my life together. Do this, get back in the gist of it. We can do this, we can do this. Oh yeah. Show me how you do now. Alright, so I just realized I just got paranoid. This is not in my element.